would like to solve a Rubik's Cube in 2 minutes. And here is the Rubik's Cube, and I'm gonna start now. 3, 2, 1, go. Not bad start, I would say. And I'm on the first layer. Now I'm on second layer, I think. Almost on third layer. Okay, one more step until on third layer. Almost on third layer. Okay, after this, I'm gonna be on third layer. Okay, I'm on third layer now, and I'm gonna do fourth layer. I'm almost done now. And then I'm on the fifth layer, which is near done, I think. I'm on the sixth layer, which is the last layer. The seventh layer is the Rubik's Cube done. Okay, seventh layer. The seventh layer is this. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.